Hello guys, welcome to Cafe at Simplify. We are now going to look at price elasticity, and we're saying price elasticity is given by this symbol which you are seeing here, like a 3. I don't know how they call that, equals to the derivative, which is dp over dq times price out of quantity. That is how you should get it. Here they have represented it by ep, price elasticity. And what is price elasticity? We are saying it is the measure of responsiveness of quantity demanded or supplied to changes in goods own price. How does the price of the good measure the level of responsiveness? How does the price of the how does the change in the price of the good show how people respond to buying or supplying it? That is price elasticity, measure of responsiveness of the quantity demanded or supplied to changes in the goods own price, not your own price, not your increase in income or what. No, it's about the good. If its income increases, if its income reduces, what does its demand or supply change? That is what we are looking at price elasticity, and it is given by the derivative the QDP times P out of Q, where if P is the price elasticity, this is the derivative of the demand function, P is the price and quantity. So we are given now this one. When we are given the following demand function, this is our demand function, where we're given P, find the price elasticity. So I don't know where I actually started from, but we'll go with the Q equals to this. I think I started from here for do it yourself, but I'll explain here how it was done. And what we see that we found this one, the QDP, when you differentiate this is a constant, this one drops to 2p minus 5, this is linear. So after getting this one, replace the value of p with, which is 10, into here. When you get negative 25, so this is the p, the QDP. So you just substitute in your formula to find. Now, to find this quantity is by replacing p also. This is the level of this. When you put this q, put where p is, put 10, you'll find what q is, quantity demanded. Now we have p, we have q, and we have also the derivative. That means we can put in, this is the derivative, which is negative 25, then p is 10, then we have found the quantity demanded, which is represented by q from here, from this next level of output. So we come to finally the last one. We'll try to be sharp when we find the price elasticity of demand given p is this and this. When this is the equation, differentiate it to find the QDP, get that. Calculate the price elasticity at p equals to 3. So here where there is p, put 3 to find the q, get 24. Now from there, put in this equation here like this. We have found the p times p out of q. We have also found our q by putting it here in this equation p. So we come to this and you exactly do the same stuff here. Maybe what is important to note that whenever p is less than 1, whenever p is less than 1, that means it is inelastic. Price elasticity is inelastic. Whenever p is equal to 1, it is unitary. Whenever p is greater than 1, it is elastic. That is also important. That's what this conclusion is. Yeah. So we come to another one and we see, given that q equals to this, find the QDP. It is here, get 5, negative 5. Find it, and we are given p already. Find the q by replacing in this equation the value of p, which is 3. After finding q, which is 60, and you find the p, the q, now just substitute in the equation that the P dq, which is negative 5, times q, which is 3, out of q, which is 60. Get that answer. Also test for value of p, because p is 3 or 5. So p, when p is 5, you put in your derivative to differentiate it. Put in your equation which was given to find the quantity. Now just substitute, and remember, when p is negative, it is inelastic. Even this one inelastic. And so we come to this last one. 8q plus 2p minus 56 equals to 0. Now this is the equation, but here we're not given q equals to this, so you can choose to make q the subject or p the subject, but in simple terms, making p the subject would be simpler, since you can since when you have p, so you can find the p, the q. This is the demand function for p, and this is the demand function in terms of p and q. Now we can calculate the price elasticity of demand at different levels using that formula. So express q in terms of p equals to this one. Solve for q, that's why I was saying first solve for q in the upper equation. After getting q, I don't know why they actually had to find p, but they wanted to substitute to make the subject of the one. I would prefer that we start with this. First find what q is. After finding what q is, if find the q, the p. This will be a constant, this will be a quota. After calculate the value of p when p equals to 3. Now this is the function. What quantity did we get here? Here when p equals to 3. Come and substitute up there and get this quantity. The same thing. So a quarter, which is the p, the qdp times p out of 2. And when you simplify that, you get negative. That means it is when it is negative, that is when it is less than 0. Sorry, it's negative. When it is less than 0, that means it is less than 0. I thought it is supposed to be inelastic. That's the price of demand at p equals to 3. Okay, equals to 3 is 0 point. Is the price elasticity. This one is still inelastic. They have not defined if it is elastic, inelastic, and all that. So try and test with 5 and see what you come up with. I think for the rest of the work, guys, it's the same thing. Try out. If things fail, compare with what you have.